Summary Smoothie. Sip smart, learn fast. Luis Vaughn on how to make learning as addictive as social media. 1. Introduction to Guatemala. Luis Vaughn on introduces himself as being from Guatemala and clarifies the location. He humorously distinguishes between Guatemala and Guantanamo, emphasizing the misconception. Vaughn on explains Guatemala's proximity to Mexico and likens it to Mexico's Mexico for American audiences. 2. Education and inequality. Luis shares his perspective on education and how it can either reduce or exacerbate social inequality. He highlights the disparity in education opportunities for those with and without financial resources, especially in poorer countries. 3. Personal background. Vaughn recounts his own journey, growing up as an only child with a single mother who invested in his education. He mentions his path to obtaining a PhD in computer science in the United States. 4. Founding Duolingo. Luis discusses his decision to create Duolingo, an online language learning platform. He explains the reasoning behind choosing to start with teaching foreign languages, highlighting the global demand for language learning, especially English. Luis notes that learning a language can directly impact one's income potential, unlike some other subjects like math. 5. Accessibility and business model. Luis emphasizes the need for accessibility to education and how smartphones can bridge the gap. He introduces Duolingo's freemium model, allowing free access to learning but with optional ads, while subscribers can disable ads. Vaughn mentions the role of wealth redistribution, as richer users primarily subscribe, funding free education for others. 6. Engagement techniques. Luis discusses the challenges of keeping users engaged with educational content on smartphones, given the allure of addictive apps like TikTok and Instagram. He outlines several psychological techniques used by Duolingo, such as streaks, encouraging daily usage, and personalized notifications. Luis shares the idea that making education enjoyable and meaningful, even if not as engaging as entertainment, can still be effective. 7. Expanding beyond language learning. Luis envisions applying the successful methods used in Duolingo to other subjects that require repetition. He suggests that subjects that involve repetitive learning can be gamified, making them more engaging and effective. 8. A hope for the future. Luis expresses hope for a future where mobile phones can deliver high-quality education, erasing the stigma associated with screen time. Luis Vaughn encourages learners to continue their language lessons.